Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge.
Mama knows all I ever wanted was for her to live a life she deserves. I'm always going hard on a Monday, I'm never ever home on a Tuesday, Then Wednesday comes around, we gon' get that, I'm going extra hard on a Thursday, When Friday comes around and it's payday, We spend it all on Saturday like it's the last day. Then Sunday comes around, man, I say my prayer, We never ever resting on these weekdays, Never call my phone if you don't chase, While you play around, I be getting to the, Me and my niggas never rest these days. If you got my back, I will split that bread. See me on my phone making plans for the, Never waste my time if your talk won't pay. While you play around, I've been grinding every day. Always on a hustle for that good, Mama knows all I ever wanted was for her to live a life she deserves. Live a life, live a life, live a life, I'm always going hard on a Monday, I'm never ever home on a Tuesday, Then Wednesday comes around, we gon' get that, I'm going extra hard on a Thursday, When Friday comes around and it's payday, We spend it all on Saturday like it's the last day. Then Sunday comes around, man, I say my prayer, We never ever resting on these weekdays, All the time and all the time I'm working for the, Me and my niggas, we be getting to the, Bitches wouldn't fuck if I know get, Niggas won't be real if I know get, 24/7 I be working till I'm paid. Mama won't be proud if I know get, Daddy won't be cool if I know get, Brothers won't respect me if I don't get, Mama knows all I ever wanted was for her to live a life she deserves. Live a life, live a life, live a life, I'm always going hard on a Monday, I'm never ever home on a Tuesday, Then Wednesday comes around, we gon' get that, I'm going extra hard on a Thursday, When Friday comes around and it's payday, We spend it all on Saturday like it's the last day. Then Sunday comes around, man, I say my prayer, We never ever resting on these weekdays,
Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. You know it's your boy Oasis, and we just went international. I got my boy from the DRC, the amazing Osama Bin Pimpin. He performed a track called Weekday, and the track was fire. So, bro, where did the inspiration for that track come from?
Yo, man, I would say the track comes from way back, Like, I would say the track, when I was working on the track, right, I was trying to make a different sound, make a different mark. So I kind of like worked on this flow for a while, before I could come up with this track. And I would say the inspiration came from all the music that I did, I was still trying to find my sound. I did trap, I did old school vibes, and so on and so on and so on. So when I discovered this sound, I was like, let me run with this, This was like something different, something that shocked the people, we never heard this before. So from there, that's when I was like, this is me.
You're gonna keep riding that way?
Keep riding this way,
Nah, that's dope, bro, that's dope. So how would you say you would make a mark in Cape Town? Because now you're saying you have a different sound. How would you bring it across to Cape Town?
So speaking about a different sound, there's more to it than just what you just heard, you know what I mean? So there's more to me than just being an artist, I would say I'm not actually like an artist. Put it all in one bowl. I'm an entertainer.
You entertain, okay. Nah.
Put it all in one bowl. Cause with my music, I just don't do music, I do more like movies, but with music as well. I'm gonna still come up with the name for that because there's something that you wouldn't just put on the TV and see, you know.
Yeah.
Like if you follow my channels, you follow my social media, you will see my work. It's totally different. It's out of this world, you know what I mean? So I'm not just saying this to say it's out of this world.
So you want people to pay attention to it. Go listen and go see what he's talking about. He's different. So different.
For real, man.
Nice though, bro. So I've been hearing that the name I said in the beginning, the amazing Osama Bin Pimpin, is not the actual name. What is the actual name?
It's the actual name, but it's not the only name that's there, you know. It goes a long way.
It goes a long way. So what is the actual name, bro?
Goes a long way, man. You actually be shocking when I just said the name, and how I came up with the name, that's another story. Okay. But then the name is actually Amazing Arnold Osama Bin Pimpin, the first Oga boss, aka Mazi Oche, the first, no photocopy.
No photocopy. Your mama loved you so much, because like you took what she gave you and extended like that.
Yeah, but
that's different. That's different. It's been seamless.
Yeah, but it's different. You know, I'm trying to describe me the way that nobody would describe me.
Yeah, okay.
I'm trying to like when you say my name, you know already what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? You hear my voice over the wall. You know that's him right there. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to make that mark, man. I'm trying to make that mark right there.
Yes, dope, bro. So, what do you think of our setup we have now for the Lyric Lounge? Because we've been improving. So, what do you think of what we have now?
Nah, I feel like this is the final touch, but there's always room for improvement. But this is dope, man. Yeah. This is walking in here. You feel like you're about to shoot a movie or something. But you shoot Adventures, I don't know, 5 or something, man. Because the setup is.
I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching this episode. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to the page. I also want to say thank you to our sponsors, Cuts on Cue, dsfootage, Cameraworld, and the Library SA. Best believe you're going to get schooled. And if you're not schooled yet, you're going to get schooled today. That's your boy Oasis, and we out.